Do Rhymbill! What's good, guys? Today we're gonna be learning how to do operations with JavaScript. As always, you want to open up your notepad, and in notepad what you want to do is to open up a basic HTML tag and close it down below. Now we're gonna move on to the body, and the body is where your JavaScript is going to do the operation in. So now what you want to do is to create a paragraph where your JavaScript is going right inside. To do this, you're going to type p id is equals to whatever you want, but as for me, I'm going to make it p. And now you just want to save your file, because that's the most important thing. To see what your file looks like, you want to go up to File, and then you want to scroll down to Open Containing Folder, and then it's going to show you Explorer or CMD, and then you want to click Explorer. And here, your page should be blank. So you want to go back to Notepad, and here we're going to start our JavaScript stuff. To do this, you want to start by creating a script tag, like so. And you also want to close that off at the bottom. Yay! And this is where the fun begins. So you want to start off by creating a variable, and this variable is going to be named x. So you want to type in var x, and you want this to be equal to a value which we are not going to set yet, so you could see how this works. Now below you want to create a second variable called y, and this we're also not going to set the variable for this one. Lastly, we want to create a variable called z, and z is going to be equals to variable x plus variable y, and this is going to be outcome of z. So as you can see, this is absolutely useless, but we could fix that. So down below we want to get the element.id, which is linking to the paragraph on top. So just do what I do. Remember the paragraph ID? This is what goes in here. Now you want to finish all this off by typing dot inner HTML. Now you want to type is equals to, and this is going to be equals to the variable z. And now we need to put some values to those variables. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to variable x. We're going to make this variable equals to the number 3. And now for variable y, we're going to make this equals to the number 7. And now when you go back to your page, you're going to see a number 10, which is pretty much x plus y. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. You don't have to make a variable z to do this. You could do x plus y and it'll give you the same result. Don't feel like you have to use variables. You could just use regular numbers. Any number should work. And you could also mix it in with the variables itself. You might be thinking to yourself, oh, so it only does addition? No! It could do a lot of operations. You could even do division like I just did. Just for the beans. What's 9 plus 10? 21? And that is it, guys. I hope you learned something new today. Join the Rhymbilyt family if you haven't. And remember, don't forget to save. Until next time, Rhymbilyt out.